edge again with their competitors. So these are the brand characters of M&M. Red represents Red was superior and was the leader of the pack. So Red constantly reminded why he was so special and his relationship with other brand characters. Red was undoubtedly a leader of the pack, and green, yellow represents the peanut version of the chocolate. So it represents, it shows that why he was loved by everybody. And green represents the girl power of, represents the girl power, and he was smarter, aggressive, and quicker than other male counterparts. In 1988, and the M&M brand characters proclaimed themselves as the official sport candies of the new millennium. And then movie was also made in all these brand characters. Further will be explained by Archie.
Which movie?
Journey of M&M, right from where it started to where it is now. It came into different colors, came by different packaging, we changed their packaging, they changed their strategies, but during all these years, they also suffered few problems. The first is the competitive brand. M&M or maybe Mars Corporate is not the only brand that is producing confectionery goods as well as chocolate. There are other competitive brands as well. When it started initially, 1941, they suffered a great loss because of the placing that where they were producing the goods. And when they changed their place from Minneapolis, from there they started to increase their growth steadily, and from that time to now they have not suffered any loss in terms of production or maybe in terms of wastage of the product. Then competitive brand in the year 2002, this M&M candies were the largest candy to be sold, but the rivalry came when Hershey came into the market, and that the market share of Mars was 3%, wherein Hershey's was somewhere near 4.6 to 5% between. So that is how M&M candy or maybe Mars came suffered a loss because of the competitive brand, but they overcome it by coming up with new variety of products, by coming up with new contests that they try to interact with the customers. They came up with different colors, and that's how they overcome that problem of competitive brand. Social pressure, as we were increasing, we came to know that there are so many problems that the diseases that can be caused by more intake of sugar. So that there was a social pressure on M&M because consumers were leaving M&M candies because the sugar intake was more. But again, they came up with different varieties. They came up with different peanut butter and all the varieties where they overcome this problem also. The next problem was that they wanted this brand to be simple and relevant to customers. That's the only reason why they came up with different contests every year. They came up with contests saying to vote the most color that the customers prefer, and that's how they wanted to connect to their customers by different advertisement, promotions, etc. In 1976, the problem that actually M&M faced was the public controversy. It was said that between 1976 to 1987, there were no red M&M. As we saw in the earlier slide, red M&M was the leader of the red color was the leader because of this food coloring problem. There were in the Russian survey, it was found that this color can cause cancer and maybe an instant death. Though M&M were not using this color, but they didn't want any controversy. They didn't want to lose their customers. That's the only reason they removed red color M&M and which replaced to orange color M&M. That's how they overcome that. Also, during this journey, it was said that by 1995, the product cycle of this will end. But it is still going on. It will go for another, I don't know how many years. This happened because of their strategy. This happened because of what innovations that they came up with. They came up with the contest. They came up with different colors. They came up with almost 21 colors in M&M. That's the reason this product is still in the market and it will go further for many more years.
Indian market? And how?
It's in 1997.
डायरेक्ट चालू करेंगे इनिशिएटिव रह जाएगा
कैसे आएगा?
इनिशिएटिव को ले कौन
What was the strategy to come in India? Because as per the Indian market, look, as per the Indian market, that product is not free.
It is still not that yet.
Because it's kind of a premium pricing. They have like normally the price was other.
So the pricing strategy of the M&M is on peak, so it is not that
So
that way in Indian market.
M&M products are only used for customization. Even in India market, the products are not available in the regular retail stores. They are only available in the premium stores, maybe nearby airport areas or near customization shops, where only premium, maybe high class people can afford the product. That is,
Even M&M product produces that sneaker sector of segment of product which is usually available in rural as well as urban
That is
area.
a mass product, and they want to like show PSPR for like for the mass also, not for the niche segment. That's the other thing. They entered in 1997 as well, saying I don't know whether they were right or wrong, but why they entered into the Indian market? They are doing good in the other markets, and Indian market is not that much of educated and that much of like paying capacity they don't have, because at that time disposable income of India is very low. What was the strategy, like why, what were the reasons behind that? It was given in the case. Not why they entered into Indian market, but why was there?
so they wanted to expand. That's the reason they started entering European market also and also Asian market. They are doing really well in Asian market, but they are not doing good in European market.
You are near that, so they want to
अगर
expand
अपने
what?
मानने लग जाएगा तो पता भाई ये तो बीच में से अपने से बोलने लग
Because they
जाएगा तो अपना
wanted
नॉकआउट हो जाएगा
more customers, they wanted more market share. That's the reason they expanded. Like from 1941 to 1976, they were only in the United States. They were not expanding. But when they realized that
ये अगर से बीच में
more
अपने
customers are, because when they had this contest almost to
What is the name of that contest?
the
Is there voting?
voting
Voting.
campaign.
Campaign का नाम क्या था? Time?
Help us find our colors.
करना क्या है
नहीं पढ़ा ठीक से।
पेन ड्राइव करना
तुरंत याद होना चाहिए ना? See, if you are presenting a cake of a certain brand, it means you are a brand ambassador of that particular brand. The brand ambassador don't know about the campaign, about the name of the product, what kind of strategies they are making. If you are representing any brand, कल को किसी कंपनी में जाओगे, मैंने रिप्रेजेंटिंग को पूछेगा भाई तुम किस कैंपेन के थ्रू आए हो, ये प्रोडक्ट मैं बता दूँ. If this thing will happen, तो हमारा बहुत जगह एक प्रोटोकॉल डिसीजन हमारा मतलब ऐसा एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे, टर्मिनेशन दे देंगे. ऐसा होगा ना? चलो आगे बोलो.
So this is a trend analysis which is done by our team, which is not there in the case study, but as per sir guidance, it should be done. So this is an M&M release.
पहले देख मत रुकना. क्लास ये कौन सी केस स्टडी है? एमएम का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर. नहीं बोला था शुरू में, उसने बताया था.
मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट
Mars and Yuri.
Mars and
Yuri.
यूरी.
Yuri.
Mars and Yuri.
मैं तुम लोग नहीं सुनोगे कसम खा के रखी है. आप पहली स्लाइड नहीं सुनी, नाम क्या है कंपनी का नहीं पता है, सुन रहे हैं.
Sir, Mars and
और सुनेंगे
So this is a short of campaign which has been done by the M&M, in which they tried to apply which we have already studied the core concept of marketing positioning. So how they position themselves in the market. In 2019, what they actually did, Mars Brinley, launched the campaign earlier this year by rolling out 3 limited editions. That was Mexican jalapeno peanut, Thai coconut peanut, and English toffee peanut. By launching these 3 products, people who are very interested to buy such type of product or of niche market can put their vote and select one of quality product which they like. And as per that quality, the MMM company tried to launch that product in more quantity. And in 2018, such type of campaign has also been done by MMs, in which Crunchy Espresso, Crunchy Raspberry, and Crunchy Mint flavor. These 3 products has been launched by the company, and the voting has been done by the customers itself, and the product which has won is Crunchy Mint. So what this type of campaign shows that how MMM company tackle the perception of customer that MMM company is now working well in the economy or the market. So this is a short of data which shows that the brown, we can look over that in 1941 when the MMM company launched. It started with brown color, yellow color, green color, red color, and the violet one. In which we can look over that the brown color continues till 1941 to 2010, even it is also there in the market. The yellow color is also there in the market, the green one is also there in the market. But what happens with the red color, it discontinued in 1976, which has been explained by my colleague Tashila Singh. In this gap, what actually happens, the perception of customer got changed. In Russia, people knows at that time people knows that red color flavor has been used by some of confectionery production company which influenced to have cancer. So people's perception was by eating red color candy they may cause some cancer type of things. So they refused to purchase that MMM candy, and at that time M&M company tackled that this type of things can tarnish the entire company, so they discontinued till 1976 to 1987. And so in the next slide, the return of red candies that went in your mouth but not in your hand was prompted by a national outcry that included thousands of data to the manufacturer. So this data shows that when red M&M company was introduced in the market in 1987, people were very keen to purchase that. So what the MM company has done, they introduced that red color candy packet in some sort of stores so that people get more enthusiastic to purchase that red color candy, because the complete perception of having red flavoring color that influence to have cancer was removed. So this is Miss Brown, which was always there as a queen of MM candy, and this sort of video has to be watched, which shows that the social pressure to reduce candy consumption, which actually shows what my colleague has told you already, that how MM candy has tried to tackle the market, because in America people buy more of chocolates without caring of their health and kind of things. So for removing such type of perception, look what they have done.